I'm at a payphone trying to go. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Get your back up off the wall. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Get your back up off the wall.
Isabella Mix Club.
You're moving to the beat with DJ RJ exclusive.
Listen, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. And one more stupid love song, I'll be sick.
Isabella Mix Club.
Turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. And one more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I'm at a payphone trying to go. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Get your back up off the wall. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Party people on the floor. Get your back up off the wall.
You're moving to the beat with DJ RJ exclusive.